Hey Doodlebugs, let's draw a baby dragon. Okay folks, with this one I'm going to start with slightly to the left of your paper. We're going to do a big round oblong shape like that. And then on this side, slightly symmetrical, another one just like that. Then we're going to do a small sort of comma shape like that, and one there for two nostrils. And then two small circles, one there and one not quite so far over, about there. Just like I always say at this point, guys, if you need to pause, please feel free. I know I can go too fast sometimes. Now we're going to do this line coming down, up slightly for that nose, down again and there. And then we do a little tick mark and a little tick mark to the end of the mouth there. And then inside these eyes we're going to do a big circle and a big one like that. And at this point, if you want to, you might want to do a different colour in the eyes, but I'm just going to darken these in to give them those big cute eyes. And the same on that side. Like that. Now I'm going to do a line going up and over, and the same on that side, up and over. And then I'm going to bring that down just slightly to where that cheek is there. And then we're going to go out and do a zigzag, and this side out and do a zigzag like that. I'm going to do a small chin and then join that together with a straight line, and there as well. Doesn't matter if it goes slightly wonky, as I just did. Now we're going to bring a line out from the round of the back there, and again there. And then just up here I'm going to do a horn, but slightly bending that way, and then a couple of small lines underneath. Now we're going to do another horn hinting off slightly to the right there, and then I'm going to bring a line across, leaving a slight gap, and to there, leaving a slight gap again. Now I'm going to curve a line down. I'm going to curve this one down a little bit just for a bit of quirkiness. I could do these both the same, but I want to do just one down and one slightly up, and one slightly up like that. And then we're going to do a curved line round and bring that back, and then a curved line round, joining that up like that. And then I'm going to do the inside of this here. You can follow the lines you've kind of got there already. And then a couple of little circle marks. This saves you kind of drawing scales. You can put some sort of little circles, gives it a bit of texture, but drawing hundreds of scales will take forever, so Now we've got the head there, I'm going to bring a line curving out and round like that, and then another one starting slightly far apart but getting wider, so going down like that and get slightly closer at the bottom. And then I'm going to do a small C shape there before joining that up like that. And then we can do a backward C just that way. Then I'm going to do a slightly bigger circle mark that way, and the same there. And then a smaller one that side and that side. And we can just bring a leg going up and a leg going up there. Now we can do slightly apart from that, we're going to do a line going round, and this side a bit further away but coming round like that. And then we're going to do the hint of a foot and the same there. And then this line is going to just run up the side of there. And we're going to go slightly further apart this side and then getting wider as we go down and joining that up. And then curve a line round and around. You can make these wings any size you like. I like quite small ones there for a baby dragon. And then we're going to do a couple of arches and the same again that side. And then we're going to put some curves inside where these curves begin and end to make those wing shapes. I don't know about yours, but I've got a little gap there, so I'm just going to fill that in there so the wings are sort of slightly apart. Now from here I'm going to curve a line out and do a slightly wiggly line, and do another one getting closer as you get further away, going almost to a point there, and then you can put a triangle on the end. It's really coming together again. I get the shapes coming in there, but it's got a few details to add on, so I'm going to put some lines running up this neck, slightly bending them to fit the shape as you go up. And then some little circles for again making that sort of scale effect. And now all we've got to do is put a couple of lines there to make some ground. I've smeared my ink slightly there, I don't know if you noticed that, but you can always clean it up later if you like to. I'll probably change mine on my iPad Pro. But basically, there you have a cute baby dragon. Would you like to see your drawings on the channel? If you've drawn along to any of the tutorials, please email them to artfuldoodlebug@outlook.com and I'll feature the best ones here.